West Bengal police have now arrested over 110 people in connection with the violence that broke out in the Muslim-dominated Murshidabad district during a protest over the Waqf Amendment Act. Multiple vehicles, including police vans, were torched, projectiles were launched at security personnel, and thoroughfares were barricaded as disturbances engulfed Malda, Murshidabad, South 24 Parganas and Hooghly districts regarding the newly enacted legislation. West Bengal DGP has said that any kind of violence will not be tolerated by any perpetrator, and the police also urged the people to not believe on any rumors that are doing the round. Meanwhile, political slugfest has also started, with BJP now blaming TMC government for instigating these violent protests, while the TMC claims that the Waqf Act was not done accordingly to the wishes of the minority community. Sample the reactions coming in.
People are not allowed to come on the streets and take law in their own hands. That is not acceptable. And that we will deal very, very strong. No one, irrespective of who he is or the miscreant, we will deal with them as strongly as possible. In case if people take law into their hands and do violence and this kind of thing, if they will indulge in, we will deal it with as strongly as possible. This is a time of not scoring points. This is a time of not, the lives of people are at stake.
देखिए, ममता बनर्जी की शय पे सारा सम्मेला हो रहा है। ममता बनर्जी करा रही है। उनको चाहिए कि मुस्लिम वोट का पोलराइजेशन करना चाहती है और उसके साथ साथ आगे आने वाले चुनाव में मुस्लिम पोलराइजेशन का लाभ लेना चाहती है। और उसके साथ साथ ये जो करप्शन हुई है, जिसमें 22 लाख 23 लाख लोग जुबा जिसमें वंचित हुए, 26,000 की तो नौकरी चली गई, वंचित हुए 22 लाख। ये सबसे इसको दबाने के लिए और यहाँ से दृष्टि घुमाने के लिए पूरा साजिश चल रहा है ममता बनर्जी के द्वारा। एकदम 355 अगर जरूरी हिंदुओं को बचाने के लिए जरूरी हो तो 355, 356 ये किसी के शादी के लिए बचाने के लिए रखा हुआ है क्या? 355, 356 जरूरत पड़ेगी हिंदुओं को बचाने के लिए तो सरकार को करना पड़ेगा।
My colleague Shreyashi is joining me for more details. Shreyashi, tell us how many people have been arrested in the violence so far and the politics over it.
Well, the DG of West Bengal Police, Rajiv Kumar, as well as ADG Law and Order, Javed Tamim, just short while ago addressed the media. They have confirmed 180 people have been arrested in Murshidabad district with the anti-Waqf test that went violent since yesterday. The police has also, the top cops of West Bengal have also confirmed that police had to open fire 4 rounds of bullets at the protesters, and that has injured 2 persons. And they are admitted in the hospital but out of danger. All protocols were followed, and the DGP also stated that West Bengal police is not trigger happy, but when it comes to law and order, the police will resort to the strictest form of action when it comes to spreading any kinds of tension. Considering in Murshidabad, large public property was damaged as well as shops were looted. The curfew has been imposed in those areas to keep, especially under Jangipur Police District, to keep the situation under control. A fresh incident has been reported this morning of firing. The police are yet to divulge any details about it on record. However, they have said that there are reports that it could be BSF firing. We are yet to hear from the BSF. That youth is also admitted in the hospital for, medical aid. But of course, the situation is being very closely monitored by the police right now. And the police has also urged the media to, cooperate with the police and not spread any misinformation. So we will be taking utmost care in divulging details of what is going on in Murshidabad district. As far as the politics is concerned, of course, the BJP has raised this law and order issue against the Mamata Banerjee government. The LOP of BJP has also written to the Home Minister and the Railway Minister urging NIA probe into these protests that broke out in Murshidabad district. Murshidabad is a minority-dominated district in West Bengal. Apart from that, Malda is also a minority-dominated district in the state. And the Waqf protests have only escalated in these districts, especially after the Friday press. Railway tracks were taken over by the protesters yesterday in Murshidabad, where they held a long protest against the centre. But of course, we will be tracking all the details closely and bringing it to our viewers.